digital marketing, just stay current with popular search terms. Scented watchwords likewise need a rotate. As near me, look filled in 2020, so did the terms curbside pickup and drive through, as did more up to the date forms and the date terms like, say, for example, contactless delivery that was quite pop up in 22 and it's still going on. Is it true that you are presently following the moving watchwords applicable to your industry? And if not, you could be passing up to the chance and to change over high aim purchasers. I mean, wake up. Assessing the top terms of a GMB widths of knowledge will assist the organization with understanding which watchwords ought to be in hand to keep on arriving at current and new clients. Refining your neighborhood promoting methodology, the incorporates reshop the KPIs and the measurements that matter most to your business. Now, as unforeseen as the COVID-19 pandemic was, it exposed new zones of chance for the organization, including new friendly removing administrations, and it's sort both of versatile and work area bias. Now, I believe कि कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है आप इस चीज़ में काफ़ी अप टू डेट रहो, काफ़ी एजुकेटेड रहो, क्योंकि बीइंग अ ह्यूमन बीइंग हमारे दिमाग में सिर्फ एक वर्ड क्लिक करता है एंड वी सर्च दैट ऑन गूगल. अब वो आपको टर्म से नहीं बताऊंगी, जैसे आई मेंशन इन द वेरी स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो, दैट वाज कॉन्टैक्टलेस डिलीवरी. एज इन कॉन्टैक्टलेस डिलीवरी इतना ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग में चल गया बिकॉज अब आप उस चीज़ से कुछ भी सर्च कर रहे हो, यू रियली हैव हंड्रेड्स ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स, एवरीबॉडी, हर एक इंसान के पैक पे लिखा होता है like whatever they were serving, contactless delivery, and many other things. So unless you're not staying updated on the keywords, the watchwords you gotta use for to promote your business ideas and to promote the marketing things of your business, things won't work like this. So you need to recuperate form of great extent, travel into the occasions and set your business up for the prosperous new preparations and the future, as I'll say. How you can be innovative in these matters, as in blogs कैसे लिखने हैं, contents कैसे लिखने हैं, नए keywords कैसे ढूंढने हैं, what could be the best keyword you can use to promote your business on heights. We're gonna help you for this. Like digital marketing institutes or agencies क्यों बैठी हुई हैं, just to help you out there and to make sure कि आपने अपना पैसा जितना लगाया है business में या काम में या courses करने में, आप उसे at least अपना 100 नहीं, minimum 100 or maximum 200 or limitless generate करो. So if you have any query related to digital marketing stuff and any query, as in कि अगर आपको ये तक भी लगता है कि क्या आपका ये business online segment पे चल सकता है, इस बात तक के लिए we are here to advise you. We not only provide you courses, but we counsel you as well regarding whatever stuff is going in your life in matters of professionalism, of course. So contact us, feel free to ping us anytime on the number 8800505151, or also you can visit to our website www.DIDM.net. Thank you.